Okay, Mr. McAdoo. So finally. So we had the first two that I did for you, and then you added this one, and so here it is. There is your build. And I did this pretty much just like this one. Well, this one you provided. This one I built for you custom. This is a custom build. So, but they're ready to go. This is the best. I mean, this is one of the new beautiful aftermarket bracelets. They're solid stainless steel with the correct end pieces. It came out really well. It runs beautifully. It resets to 0. It's a good watch. Just like that. Kaboom. I did need to go back into this one. There were some things about it. I mean, I told you this. There were some things about it that were a little funky. This watch, you'll remember, had actually a pretty water-damaged movement. It was pretty hurt. So I needed to go back in. There were a few things that I wasn't happy with. The cannon pinion was loose. The day-date quick set lever was just damaged, and it wasn't working really consistently, so I just replaced it. So that's all good. I went through the entire front and back of the movement again. Basically, I pulled the movement most of the way apart to check some stuff. Oh, and I also changed the balance. I wasn't happy with the numbers, and so I went and changed the balance as well. So, can you stay in like one place, please? Can you just stop doing that? Like, stay. Any case, there you go. They're ready to go. Yeah, when you have water damage in a movement, especially one of these Seiko chronographs, there's little problems that crop up from every now and then, and I really wanted to make sure this one was right. So, went back through it, but they're ready to go. And that's just about it. Okay, thank you so very much.